This is Good Evening San Diego.
A wounded San Diego veteran is now mobile after being gifted a powered wheelchair. Corporal Nick Voss joins the Marine Corps in 2016, but then suffered a spinal injury during a helicopter accident. Electric transportation company Bird Global teamed up with Easter Seals Southern California to gift Voss something he'd had to borrow in the past. He says the power chair gives him the independence he needs.
You know, these electric wheelchairs are a lot easier than the manual wheelchairs, especially kind of just on the strain of the body, accessibility, where you can and can't go. Even small things like being able to go on longer walks with friends, or go down to the beach, or, you know, get somewhere and back, even going uphill, and not be super strained from it.
So he went on to say that he is grateful for Bird and the ESSC for their help, and he's actually really excited to take the chair on some different terrains. Good stuff right there.
No kidding. Well.